Hello, I'm David Hunter, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage your GPR-SLICE projects. So all we have to do is click on the project button in the upper left corner of the screen, and you will see a list of all the projects that you have had been working on in the past. Now some of these might not be present anymore. You might have, for instance, if I go to my local C drive, you might find that one of the projects, let's say Cement 4, this is an old project that I no longer need. Let's say I've filed that or archived it elsewhere, so I'm just going to delete that folder. So it no longer exists in the C drive where GPR-SLICE is expecting it to be, but it's still listed in the project menu. So to remove it from this list, all we have to do is click on the Auto Remove button, and it will automatically scan this list and find anything that's not actually found anymore, and will remove it from the list. So you'll find that Cement 4 will disappear. There you go. Now, what if you wanted to add in a new one, or one that you've had in the past, you've archived it in this manner, and you want to bring it back into GPR-SLICE? Well, that's what I'm currently doing at the moment. I'm currently copying over some old projects, and I'll show you how to import them all. Unfortunately, Windows is taking longer than I had hoped it would to copy the files over. It was a particularly large project, but I think we can get started anyway. If I just in Marysville, there we go. Let's start with Marysville G1. So note that it's not in the list at all. All we have to do is type in the name of the project, G1, and then click on Add Name, and there we go. And then if we wanted to load it, you just click on it, and you'll notice that it's already got the info file loaded, complete with the line data, or the navigation data here. In this case, it's a GPS data set, so that's why there's no numbers in these three columns. But you can also see that there's other info files, like the infoedit.dat file, which was created during radargram editing. So this is simply how you load it. We've now actually loaded this file, this project. You'll notice up here, Marysville G1 is now the current active project. So all we have to do to continue using this project is just close that window, and we can now go direct into our GL environment, or whatever we had previously done. Or we can go off and do more data processing as needed. Now, let's say you haven't deleted it or haven't removed it from the C drive, but you want to remove it from this list. That's quite easy to do as well. All we have to do is type in the project name, and making sure that it's getting the lettering or the capitalization correct. It's case sensitive. So Marysville G1, and then click on the Remove Name button, and okay, and there we go. It's now gone. An alternate way of adding in a project folder is quite obviously this Browse/Open button here. So you can then go through and browse your computer. So it doesn't necessarily need to be in C drive, it can be anywhere, the project. So we'll add in G2 for now. And there we go, it's now loaded in there. And that's how you do project management in GPR-SLICE. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to find me on Facebook. My name is David Hunter, or contact your GPR-SLICE distributor, whoever that may be. There's also the GPR-SLICE Facebook group, and you can find me on www.huntergeophysics.com if you need further help. Thank you.